Hello there. Today we're here to talk about 4 reasons you may not be getting the exchanges that you're looking for through Interval International. Coming right up. Hello, I'm Jeremy and welcome to Destination Timeshare. Today we're going to talk about 4 reasons that you're not getting the timeshare exchanges that you're looking for through Interval International. But first up, if you happen to like timeshare tips, resort reviews, and villa tours, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so you're notified whenever I upload new videos related to timeshares. So are you not getting the timeshare exchanges that you're looking for? Well, here we go. The first reason may be that you simply just have unrealistic expectations. Perhaps you're trying to trade into peak weeks during summer vacations and when kids are out of school. Perhaps Hawaii in the summer or over Christmas, or you're even looking at Hilton Head Island in the summertime. These are peak seasons when demand is very high and your supply is limited. So that may be the number one reason. Perhaps you just have a moderate week and you can only travel during summer holidays or Christmas. It may just simply not be possible to get that exchange that you're looking for. If you're trying to get one of those peak weeks that everybody else is trying to get, sometimes it just doesn't come through. And some of these other reasons coming up may be also the cause of that as well. So number 2 is you're not making a request. So Interval International has this mechanism where you can place an ongoing search where you can actually make a request, deposit your week, or keep your week and do a request first and do a search for a week that you're looking for. When you do a search online, maybe you're just going out to the Interval International website and you're saying, hey, I want to go to Hawaii, and you don't see anything there and you're checking week after week after week. The problem is what you're looking at online is simply just leftover inventory after everybody else who had their ongoing searches in got what they wanted. What you're seeing online is just the leftovers, what everybody else didn't want, and that may be why you're not getting what you're looking for. So you need to be placing an ongoing search with Interval International to have the best chance to get what you're looking for. Then you may get the exchange and the confirmation before it would potentially even get into the website, and you're no longer just looking at leftovers, you're looking at potentially being matched to some great exchanges. You just need to take the time to make those ongoing search requests. The third reason you may not be getting that exchange that you're looking for is you're simply not planning far enough in advance. So timeshares are something where you need to plan your stays and your travel most likely 1 year to 18 months in advance to get the best exchanges that you are looking for. It's just the reality that owners can make their reservations 12, 13 months in advance. Most owners are doing that, and they're placing their weeks into Interval International at maybe the 12th month or 11th month mark. So if you're looking for an exchange at say 6 months, those deposits that were placed at the 12-month mark are long gone by other people who planned much more in advance than you did. So be sure you're planning well in advance. You should be thinking about, where do I want to go next year or even the year after that, just so you have an idea, so you can plan ahead and you can get your ongoing search requests in well in advance. So when those first deposits start to roll in at the 12-month mark, your search request is already out there. So it has a good chance of matching, where if you place it at say 6 months, all those weeks are already gone and you missed the boat per se. Okay, so the last one, number 4, is you're simply not depositing your week early enough. So maybe you're making your reservation at 12 months, or maybe you're even waiting until 6 months, 5 months, 4 months to make the reservation for your home resort, and then you're depositing that into Interval International. The problem with this is that simply as time goes by, the trading power of your week slowly diminishes. So if you deposit something at 12 months, the best chance of having the most trade power is by depositing that at 12 months. And as time goes by, it slowly diminishes. Obviously, Interval International is going to have less time to try and find a suitable match for the week you're depositing, so they're not going to be willing to offer you as much trade power to get other prime weeks if you're not willing to give them time to find a suitable match for the deposit. They don't make any money from your deposit unless they can find a suitable match to match up to it and charge that exchange fee to the other customer. So be sure, if you know early on that you're not going to be using the week at your home resort, make your reservation and make that deposit as early as possible. Preferably at least 12 to 8 months out, but the earlier the better. The longer you wait, and even once you get inside 60 days, then there are restrictions on your deposit if you get within 60 days of the check-in date of your home resort reservation. So be sure to make your deposits as early as possible. So there you have it. 4 reasons why you may not be getting the exchanges that you're looking for in Interval International. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and as I mentioned before, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.